Number 7, an electric company has 100 workers that cut down trees, climb poles, and or splice wire. And so you've got all this information. It's the same as the last problem. You've got trees, poles, and wire. You've got 3 circles. And so I'm going to do kind of the same thing that I did before. Draw your 3 intersecting circles. Trees, poles, wire. Okay, so 100 workers, that means all 8 regions add up to 100. Usually what you have to do is start at the bottom. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. 10 can't do any of the 3. So can't do any of the 3. That's going to be outside of the circles completely, out here. That's 10. Okay. 14 can cut trees and splice wire, but can't climb poles. Well, that's just right here, right? Trees and wire, but not poles, 14. 25 can cut trees and splice wire. Well, that's the football shape. Football shape right here. Trees and wire is this space right here. So 15 or 14 and 11. This must be 11 to make that football equal 25. 20 can climb poles and splice wire. Poles and wire, that's here. So that must be 11 plus 9 to make 20. 22 can climb poles, but can't cut trees. So poles, yes. Trees, no. That's this moon shape over here. Poles, yes. Trees, no. So 9 plus 13 is 22. 57 can splice wire. Well, 57 can splice wire. That's just this circle for W. I've already got, what's that, 20 and 34? I've already got 34 showing right here. So 34 plus 23 is 57. 50 can climb poles. Well, that's just the circle for P right there. I've already got, there's 20, 33. I've already got 33. That means this must be 17. 33 plus 17 is 50. And then 45 can cut trees. That means this circle right here is going to add up to 45. What do we have here? That's 28, 32, 42. 42 plus 3 gives me 45. Okay, I've got all my numbers filled in. That was easier than the last one, I think. Now we answer the question. How many workers can do exactly one of the 3 tasks? Now think about it. These people can only cut trees, but these people can only climb poles, and these people can only splice wire. So your answer is those numbers. 3 people can only do one task. 13 people can only do one task. And 23 people can only do one task. So you add those up. 39 people can only do one task. Number 8, suppose a group of 150 students have done at least one of these activities online. Purchased an item, made a bank transaction, and posted a video. So notice we've got purchased, bank, and video. We've got 3 things again. So it's really a very similar problem. We're going to have 3 circles. So we draw our 3 overlapping circles. Purchased an item, banking, and video. So I'm going to start at the end. 10 students have done all 3. I know that's right there. 12 have banked online and posted a video. So banked online and posted a video is right here. So this is going to add up to 12. I've got a 2 there. 15 students have purchased an item and posted a video. Purchased and video is right here. This must be 5. 70 students have posted a video. So that's this circle. That's 15 and 17. 70 minus 17 is 53. I know 53 goes right here. Next, 50 students have banked online. Okay. Now I've got too many holes to fill, so I don't know what to do. So I look at the next number. 90 students have made an online purchase. Uh-oh, I can't do that one either. I look at this one. It says, suppose a group of 150 students have done at least one of the 3. I've got too many holes to fill. And so this is kind of a special problem where I'm going to need to use a variable. Put a variable x in the overlap. And then go back and try again. 50 students have banked online. Okay. Now, notice there's 12 showing. And 50 minus 12 is 38. So it's tempting to put 38 here. But that would give us too much because we already have 50 plus whatever this x is. So in order to make it add up to 50, I'm going to say minus x. So whatever x is, those x's are going to cancel out, and this is going to add up to 50. Similarly, over here, I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, so 90 students. I've already got 15. So 90 minus 15 is 75. You want to put 75 here. But again, that's going to be too much because you're adding whatever this x number is. So let's subtract it off. Now that's going to add up to 90. I'll go back and look at this 150. It says 150 students have done at least one of the 3. Well, that means that nobody did nothing. So I can put a 0 there. Nobody did nothing. Now, how many students have made an online purchase and banked online? Well, I guess basically I'm going to use this 150 in this way. I know that these numbers add up to 150. So we've got this number 150, and I know that everything's going to add up to 150. Okay, so I can take all these numbers right here, and everything's going to add up to 150. So let's do that. We've got 75 minus x plus 38 minus x plus 5 plus 10 plus 2 plus 53 equals 150. All right. So notice that 2 of the x's cancel out. Okay, that just leaves me with this minus x, and that's great. So look at all of your numbers, 75 and 38 and 5 and 10 and 2 and 53. If you add those numbers together, 75 plus 38 plus 5 plus 10 plus 2 plus 53, that's 183. So that equation simplifies. 183 minus x equals 150. You can subtract this over. Negative x equals negative 33. Divide by negative, multiply by negative, whatever you want to say. X equals 33. Okay, so x equals 33. That number goes right here. That may or may not be the answer to the question. The question was how many students have made an online purchase and banked online. Online purchase and banked online is this region right here. So it looks like that football shape is going to be 33 plus 10 is 43. 43 people made an online purchase and banked online.